Hi guys, welcome to our channel. This session I am going to discuss about how to exchange two block of data using 8051 microcontroller. So in this program, let us consider two set of memory location. One set of memory location is stored from 50 Hz to 54 Hz. The corresponding data are 01, 02, 03, 04 and 05. Then second set of memory location is 60 Hz to 64 Hz. The corresponding data are 06, 07, 08, 09 and 10. So after execution of this instruction, just exchanging the data from this memory location to here, this memory location to here. That we will check with the help of the program. The first instruction is move R0, pound symbol 50 Hz. So this pound symbol represent for immediate data. So immediate data is present in the instruction itself. So after execution of this instruction, this 50 Hz goes to R0. Now R0 value is 50 Hz, initializing the first set of memory location. Then move R1, pound symbol 60 Hz. So it's also immediate value. After execution of this instruction, R1 value 60 Hz. So this first two instruction is used to initializing the two set of memory locations. The next one, move R2, pound symbol 05 Hz. So this 05 represent how many data is transferred or exchange between these two memory locations. So in this program, let us consider 5 data. So 5 data exchange from 50 Hz to 60 Hz, 60 Hz to 50 Hz. So after execution of this instruction, R2 value is 05 Hz. Then move A, at the rate of R0. So this at the rate represent address. So whatever data present in R0, this data is considered as a address location. Now R0 value is 50 Hz. So this 50 Hz hold the data 01. So after execution of this instruction, this 01 is transferred to accumulator. Now accumulator value is 01. Then next instruction, exchange A, at the rate of R1. So here also at the rate represent whatever value present in R1, this value is considered as a memory location. So R1 value is 60 Hz. So this 60 Hz memory location, it hold the data 06. So exchange the data between accumulator and R1. So R1 register, it hold the memory location 60 Hz. So this memory location corresponding data is 06. So this 06 is goes to accumulator. So after execution of this instruction, the memory location data 06 is goes to accumulator. Then accumulator value is 01. So this 01 is goes to this memory location. So after execution, now R1 value is 01, accumulator content is 06. Then move at the rate of R0, A. So whatever value present in accumulator, that content is goes to R0 memory location. Now accumulator content is 06. After execution of this instruction, R0 value is 50 Hz. So this 50 Hz hold the data 06. Now 50 Hz value is 06, 60 Hz value is 01. Then increment R0. So before execution, R0 value is 50 Hz. So after execution of this instruction, R0 value 51 Hz. Then increment R1. So R1 value previously 60 Hz. After incrementing, this value goes to 61 Hz. Then DJNZ R2, back. So this DJNZ represent decrement jump on no zero. So decrement the R2 value, then check the condition whether this R2 value is 0 value or non-zero value. So first you decrement the R2 value. So R2 value is 0.5. After decrement, this value goes to 0.4. It's a non-zero value. If this value is non-zero, the condition is true. The program counter go to the location back. Then move a comma at the rate of R1. So now R1 value is 51 Hz. So R1 value is 51 Hz. 51 Hz, it holds the data 02. The corresponding data is 02. So this 02 is transferred to accumulator. Now accumulator value is 02. Then exchange a comma at the rate of R1. So now R1 value is 61 Hz. So R1 value is 61 Hz. The corresponding data is 07. Is it clear? R1 value is 07. So after execution of this instruction, this 02 is transferred here. Now 61 Hz value is 02. So this 07 is goes to accumulator. Now accumulator content is 07. So after execution of this instruction, 61 Hz value is 02. 61 Hz value is 02. Then move at the rate of R0 comma A. Now accumulator content is 07. So this 07 is transferred to memory location. Now the R0 value is 51 Hz. So this 51 Hz value is 07. Then increment R0. So now R0 value 52. Increment R1. R1 value 62. Once again decrement, jump on non-zero R2 comma back. So decrement R2 value. Now R2 value is 03. So after decrementing, this value is non-zero value. Condition is true. Again the program counter point the location back. Then move a comma at the rate of R0. So now R0 value is 52 Hz. The corresponding data is 03. Then exchange a comma at the rate of R1. So now R1 value is 62 Hz. The corresponding data is 08. 08. So the accumulator content is, what is the accumulator content? The accumulator content is 03. So after execution of this instruction, the accumulator content is 03. So after exchanging these two register content, the accumulator content is goes to this memory location 62 Hz. Now 62 Hz memory location, it holds the data 03. Then move at the rate of R0 comma A. So accumulator content is 03. So this 03 is goes to the memory location here 52 Hz. So 52 Hz value is 08. Then increment R0. Now R0 value is 53 and R1 value 63 after increment. So once again goes to this condition. So after decrementing R2 value goes to 02. So it's a non-zero value. It go to the loop here. So move a comma at the rate of R0. Now R0 values is 53. So 53, the corresponding data is 04. So this 04 is transferred to accumulator. Now accumulator value is 04. Then exchange a comma at the rate of R1. So whatever value present in R1, this content is goes to accumulator. So R1 value is 63. So in this 63 Hz, the data is 09. So this 09 is transferred to here. So now accumulator content is 09 and this R1 values is 04. So after execution, this 63 values 04 and 53 values is 09. Then here increment R0. So after increment, this value goes to 54 and this value goes to 64. Decrement R2 value now 01. It's a non-zero value. Again the condition is true. It goes to here. Move a comma at the rate of R0. So now R0 values is 54. So 54, the corresponding data is 05. So this 05 goes to accumulator. then exchange a comma at the rate of r1. So now r1 value is 64, the corresponding data is 10. This 10 is goes to accumulator. Now accumulator content is 10. Then r1 value is whatever value present in accumulator, that content is goes to here. The accumulator content is 10. Is it clear? Sorry, 5. That accumulator content is 0.5. So this value goes to 64. Then move at the rate of r1 comma a. The accumulator content is goes to here. The accumulator content is 10. So 10 is moved to 54 Hz. Then increment r0. Now this value goes to 55 and this value goes to 65. Decrement r2 value. Now r2 value is 0. Jump on no 0. The condition is false. So once the condition is false, it executes the next instruction. The final instruction is end. Of this instruction, whatever value present in 50 Hz to 54 Hz, this set of values goes to 60 Hz to 64 Hz. So 60 Hz to 64 Hz, the set of data goes to 50 Hz to 54 Hz memory location. So this is the simple way to write the program to exchange two block of data bytes using 8051 microcontroller. So thanks for watching my channel.